Hi, I'm Mia Savage, and this is my presentation on Newton's 3 laws of motion. All right, the first law we have, an object of rest stays at rest, an object of motion stays in motion until acted upon by an outside force. For instance, let's say you're in a car and you're driving and you abruptly stop for some reason. It could be in a car accident, could be you hit something, you stop. However, the person in the car will continue in motion until acted upon by a force going in the opposite direction, which could be the steering wheel, your seatbelts. You are not going to stop because you were moving at the same velocity of the car until you also hit a force that is going to act in the opposite direction that you were going. All right, second law is the force on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. And some keys with this one when making your forces is the force of friction is going to act in the opposite direction of the applied force and is equal to the coefficient of friction multiplied by the object's normal force. And the big difference between static and kinetic friction is static friction is the friction acting against an object while the object is not in motion, and kinetic friction is the friction acting on an object while it is in motion. All right, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So for instance, let's say you have an object in your hand, like this, like the one that's being showed. There is going to be a gravitational force down, Fg we call it, is going to be your mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, which is always in 9.8 meters per second squared. And the normal force, so that object does not fall down through the hand, is going to be called the normal force, which is just equal to the gravitational force because that object is not in motion.